Welcome to Cambridge Guru, Miss Kushi. I hope you are well. First of all, let me know just your introduction. Yeah.
Sir, so this is Khushi Singh from Gayaji, Bihar, and I have done my intermediate examination, and my ambition is to become an officer.
Okay. An officer.
Yes.
Very good. Best of luck. You must. You can. Let me know, as you are a student of Cambridge Guru, why to learn English?
Sir, because English is our global language, and it is global language, and it is also widely spoken around the world. And if we travel to another place, like another country, then there is only one medium to interact with each other is English. And English is common language, so this is most important to know English.
Okay. How to develop this skill?
So to develop our communication skills, we have to focus on our study, like reading every day our English book, English newspaper, and also to focus on our spoken class and attend every class of spoken and grammar. So it will develop our communication skills.
Best spoken center in India.
So according to my perception, Cambridge Guru is the best.
What about society towards spoken English classes?
The society towards spoken English class, that our society have not that much knowledge about English spoken class, so there is our responsibility to make them understand about that what is English, what English values in our life. So this is most important.
Okay. Should we consider English as co-official language of our country?
Yes, sir, of course.
Okay. Your journey during your spoken English classes at Cambridge.
Sir, my journey. Sir, when I was at my home, then I thought that I have to do an English spoken class. So I thought that Cambridge Guru is good. Then I have taken 3 days of demo class, and that only 3 days of demo class I have learned many things. Then after I thought, if I will be at Cambridge Guru for 6 months, then how much I will convert myself and I will boost my everything. So I thought that I have to be in Cambridge Guru. So I came here.
Are teachers of Cambridge Guru well qualified?
Yes, sir, of course.
How many years experience do they
Sir,
have?
I thought that they have 15-year experience.
What do you want to speak about Cambridge Guru as well as teachers of Cambridge Guru?
Sir, as everybody knows in Gayaji, he is the best spoken and grammar teacher who taught us.
Oh, very good. Fine. So, Miss Kushi, I wish you all the best. You must get success.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.